a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal.
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles. Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilbert's advantage.
We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels.
All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
Lulu, did you know you get free job loss protection on all of our vehicles at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals?
Our motor vehicle inspection guarantee is 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and us.
Deals. We'll give you a hug because we love ya.
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new.
Customer, and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal.
At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time. Get your Jim Gilbert's advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time.
We're Canada's huggable car.
You know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.
Gilbert